Hi guys, Christine here, and we are on the next step of starting to promote the video that we just recorded and created on our phones with iMovie. So what we're going to want to do is go to iCloud.com. So this is your Apple, a great way for your Apple login. It's going to be the same login you use to buy stuff on Apple, or whatever the password is for all your Apple account stuff. And we're going to go ahead and get in. So because I have my stuff, my photos backed up to the cloud, if I go into Photos, this is what I find the easiest way to get it from my phone to my computer. And you can do this from a Windows. If you have a Mac, you can airdrop it, but this might be the easiest way. So you'll see the video is now synced here. So if I go ahead and choose it, I can click on the download section here, and you can see that it's starting to download. Now, while that's downloading, what I'm going to do is get into YouTube and make sure you're in the correct account. So this is a great account for me because I don't think I use this one, so it's not going to go out to anyone else. But if you have another Google account, you can go ahead and switch account here, whatever is going to be your YouTube channel. If you don't have a YouTube channel yet, you can just go ahead and use your KW. As long as you're logged in with your KW email, it will create a channel for you there. Let's go ahead and upload a video because this is downloaded now. And this downloaded to my downloads. I'm just going to go ahead and drop it in here. And I might put, or we could put, you want to be a little mindful of the title, because that's going to affect SEO. So let me go ahead. I'm just going to put Welcome Home because this is my actual home and it is not for sale. Okay, so then what I would do is, so the description might be similar to your MLS description. I'm going to keep it just like that, and maybe I'll take out home for sale because, again, I don't want this to show up somehow in someone looking for a home to buy. So I would always have some type of call to action. What I might do is just leave, if you have a landing page, which I'm going to teach you guys how to have, I would just go ahead and keep the landing page address. If you want your telephone number in there, go ahead, but this would be the format that I would make sure is included. All right, so next we just want to go down to the bottom here and we need to select a thumbnail. It'll take a couple seconds to go ahead and finish the processing, but there's some automatic things that are uploaded here as far as the options you'll have to market the property as far as the thumbnail. I would just go ahead and choose one of those. If you have a playlist, you can go ahead and create that. A playlist might be, it might be something like Hawaii homes for sale. And this might be something that you want to set public and tag all your listings in there. In this event, I'm not going to put it on a playlist because this is not going to be a live listing for me. This is not made for kids, and we can go ahead and go on to the next. Let's go ahead and go to the next, and we can go ahead and put public. I'm going to put unlisted. Again, when you guys publish, go ahead and put public and go ahead and save. Let's go ahead and copy this and take a look on what we have here. Looks pretty good. All the information is in here that needs to be. I've noted bin sound as needed, and so now I have this YouTube video that I can market or syndicate through a landing page. So I hope that helps you guys. Not too difficult. If you have any challenges though, please let me know. And I hope this helps you market your listings more effectively. Aloha.